Welcome to Customers Training, and in this training, you will learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But before we move forward, let me show you today's money motivation. What you can see here is one of my Warrior Plus accounts with $90,231 in passive affiliate commissions. But before we begin, this video was basically for our customers who already invested in any of our products. But later we decided to publish it on YouTube and other channels for free. So you are basically getting paid training for free. Don't you think we deserve a like and share? Yes, go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. This way you help others learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we make money, and you can do it too. Let's begin. It's so exciting, right? But more exciting is right here are the number of hops. These are the real people who chose to click our affiliate links and decided to buy from us, and that's why we made money online. So here is the truth. We make videos like this, but not like this with cameras and microphones, because making videos with cameras and microphones is not a scalable process. It can be done once or twice, but not 10 or 20 videos. So in order to run 20 plus channels, we make videos using our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using image and texts. And you don't need microphone, you don't need camera, and you don't need to write script. You can copy the script from anywhere on the internet, go to the text section, click the text generator, put the text here, and use any of these buttons. The built-in artificial intelligence will rewrite that text, and that will become your own script. Take that script and go to the audio section, click this button under text to audio, put your text here, click this button, and your natural sounding voiceover is ready from text. That's how we make simple, informative videos, helpful videos that people love to watch. We build rapport with this, and when we ask them to click our links in the description and in the first comment and in the bios, they click and decide to buy from us, and we make money. It's super simple, no selling experience required. In fact, you don't need any experience at all. You can do it even if you are a complete beginner. No need technical knowledge, no need experience, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency if you want. Sounds good? Let's move forward. I will show you step by step how to make money online from ground zero. By the way, Epic is free. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Okay, I assume you have grabbed your free access to Epic. Let's begin. To get idea for videos, I always start with Google News, because Google News gives us trending topic or trending news that people are looking for. And we have a clear mindset of helping others using our videos, using simple information. Now here is one very bad news and a dangerous news, and I believe we should all take part in creating awareness among air passengers. Look what happened. Pilots fall asleep while flying from Khartoum to Ethiopia. Dangerous for the pilots, attendants, and the passengers. And immediately look at this. Hundreds of videos published about this news. This video got 6,500 views in 16 hours. This video got 10,000 views in 16 hours. This video, well, it's not about the incident. This video is about this incident, 3.3 thousand views in 17 hours. Now, if I want to tell you about this, I will simply take a screenshot, copy the screenshot, go to Epic and add a new section. Oh, by the way, Epic allows you to make bite-sized videos. These bite-sized videos can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. And you can save your campaigns, go to other work, come back later, add more sections, simply click here, add an image that you want to talk about, add the image on your canvas, and say what you need to say. You can go to the audio section, record your own voiceover using microphone, using this button, or simply use text to audio by copying the text from anywhere, putting it here, clicking this button, and your natural sounding voiceover will be added to the clip. Then once you're happy with your video, simply click the render button and the video will be ready. Now this news is definitely a tragic news. This should never happen. And we should all create videos to create awareness among people about what they should do if, God forbid, this type of thing happens to them or happens to any of us. So we should study about flight safety for passengers. There are so many rules, safety measures, and knowledge. So let's say I want to talk about this information in my video. I'll just simply take a simple screenshot screenshot, copy the screenshot, go to Epic and create a new section. And then I will add the screenshot here and I will talk about it. Now you might be asking, Mosh, how do we make money from this kind of video? This looks like a free information video. Well, this is exactly how we make money. We make simple informative videos that are helpful to our visitors. And this way we build trust and rapport and a strong relationship. Just like with this video, we are building a relationship with you. And then inside our video, we simply ask our visitors to click links in our descriptions. Just like this video description here and this link in the description. We have already built a relationship and rapport with our visitors. They will love our content. They will trust us. They will click our links and we make money. So that's the simplest form of making money online. Make simple trending videos that people are looking for using Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. Start using today and make simple videos. In case you don't want to make long videos, don't worry about it. Make short videos like 1 minute long TikTok videos, Instagram Reel videos, Facebook Reel videos, or YouTube Shorts videos. All these platforms are competing each other to make short videos popular because mobile users watch more of these short videos. And you can do this using 2 to 3 minutes of your times. Using Epic, link is in the description. So that's it, super simple concept. Help others with the information they are looking for. The news in the Google News, the trending topics of your own industry or your own niche. Sincere interest of helping others. Build rapport, relationship, and then ask your visitors to click the link in the description, in the first comment, and in the bios if you're publishing on Instagram and TikTok. The links will generate affiliate commissions and you will make money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, and you can participate in this noble mission by simply hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timeline. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients for sharing helpful information. So go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.